Hello, welcome to YouTube channel Teardrop Superclass. And in today's lesson, we're going to look at simultaneous linear equations, where we'll learn both graphical and algebraic solution of simultaneous linear equations. And we have these exercises to work them out. And we'll use the first one as our example in this video, right? So to find the solution of the simultaneous linear equation simply means to find the value of x and y that satisfies both linear equations. Okay, now let's work them out using graphical method. Graphical method is based on drawing the graph of both equations and then identifying the intersecting point, and the solution is the coordinate of the intersection point. Which means we can use this table here, where we need to find the value of the first point, the coordinates of the first point, and the coordinates of the second point. The first point represents the coordinates 0 and y, and the second point is x and 0, which means the first point we need to find the value of y making 0 the value of x, and the second point we need to find the value of x making 0 the value of y. And here we go, taking each of them, the first equation, and replacing the value of x by 0, working it out, we'll have 0 minus 3y equals 6, which means minus 3y equals 6 and 3y equals minus 6. Okay, because we have multiplied the equation by minus 1. Then y equals minus 6 over 3, which is minus 2. This is the value of y when x equals 0. And the second point, 2x plus 0 equals 5. 2x equals 5, and working it, we'll have x equals 2.5. And the same thing we can do to find both the points for the second equation. And here are they. All right? Now, we must draw the graph. We have the point representing the graph, another point, and then we draw the graph. We do the same with another equation, right? So as we can see, these two graphs, they intercept each other in this point, this black point here, black dot. And the coordinates of this point is 3 and minus 1. So x equals 3, y equals minus 1. So this is the solution using graphical method to find the solution of simultaneous linear equation. Now, algebraic solution. To work it using algebraic method, we have so many possibilities, but here we will use elimination and the mixed method. Okay, elimination basically means you'll eliminate the value of x and you'll find the value of y. Then you eliminate the value of y and you'll find the value of x. And as you can see, we have these two equations, and we want to eliminate the value of x. How can we do that? We need to make this x symmetric to these two x, which means we can multiply this entire equation to find an equivalent equation, right? So multiply it all by minus 2, and we'll get this. Then we can add the lucky terms of these two equations. So adding the lucky terms, we'll get this solution. 7y equals minus 7, and y equals minus 7 over 7, which is minus 1, right? Now, we go back to the expression, the original expression, and now our goal is to eliminate the value of y. So we want to make these two symmetric, And as we can see, it's very easy. We just need to multiply the entire equation, this second one, by 3, okay? So we'll have minus 3 plus 3 equals 0. So multiplying it by 3, we have this result. And again, adding like terms, the result is 7x equals 21. And making x the subject, we'll have x equals 21 over 7, which is 3. Okay? So again, the solution is 3 for x and minus 1 for y. That's it. Now, what about the mixed method? Mixed method is the method in which you first find one of the solutions, x or y, using or elimination or substitution, and then you use the other method to find another value. And as we can see here, we have found the value of y using the elimination, right? So now we want to use substitution, which means we'll pick one of the equations. Doesn't matter which one you pick up to work on. So we took this one, and replacing the value of y by minus 1 and working it out, the result is x equals 3. Okay, so the solution is x equals 3 and y equals minus 1, or simply 3 and minus 1. And don't forget, when you represent the coordinates, you must put them in order. X first, then y. Okay? And thank you for watching this video. Like and subscribe.